In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix slow download speed on Epic Games Launcher in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So there are 3 steps to fix this. From your desktop, if you open this Epic Store, on the right upper side, it will show you your profile picture here. Click on that and open settings from here. After opening it, scroll it down and here you'll find this total downloads. You can type here 100.000. Close it and then from your desktop, click on this search and search for firewall, and this firewall and network protection will show you. Open it and click on this allow an app through firewall. It will open up like this. Click on this change settings from right top side and click on allow another app. Click on this browse and then you have to select this C drive, open your program file, open your Epic Games folder and then select this launcher and open engine, open binaries and select Win64, and here it will show you this Epic Games launcher. Select it and click on this add. It will be added, then click OK from here. After doing this, in the last step, in the search bar, search for device manager and open it. From here, you'll find this network adapters. Open it and here it will show you your networks. You have to select your network adapter and right click on that and simply update its driver from here. You can select this search automatically for update driver software, and after updating it, you will be able to fix this slow download speed error in Epic Games Launcher.